The KAiWEETS 3-in-1 Multimeter and Cable Tracer makes it easy to trace and identify cables without any guesswork, especially in real-world situations like figuring out which Ethernet cable goes to a specific room, locating a hidden cable behind drywall, or identifying the correct wire inside a crowded network panel. To trace a cable, power it on. Then plug the transmitter into one end of the Ethernet cable. This could be a wall jack, a patch cable, or a line in a network panel. With the transmitter sending a signal, turn on the receiver and slowly move it along walls, cable bundles, or junction points where multiple wires are grouped together. As you get closer to the correct cable, the audible signal becomes stronger, making it easy to follow and identify the exact run without having to disconnect anything. Higher sensitivity on the receiver widens the detection range, making it easier to pick up signals from a broader area. As you reduce the sensitivity, the detection becomes more precise and focused, allowing you to isolate a specific cable more accurately. For wire mapping, plug one end of the Ethernet cable into the transmitter and the other end into the included RJ45 remote plug. This is especially useful when you're installing new network runs in a home office, troubleshooting slow internet in a room, or verifying that every wall jack in a house is wired correctly after a renovation. Once both ends are connected, the wire map test should start automatically. The transmitter and receiver will run through each conductor inside the cable and display the results. A properly wired cable will show all pins in order, while any issues like open wires, short circuits, crossed pairs, or miswiring will be clearly identified on the display. This lets you confirm cables are correct before you close up walls, terminate keystone jacks, or connect expensive networking equipment. Whether you're upgrading a home network, tracking down a dead Ethernet drop, or sorting out a messy bundle of unknown cables in a panel or attic, this tool removes the guesswork and saves a lot of time. Hope this was helpful. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns. Have a great day.